So I got a question yesterday in my Facebook group, and basically this person was asking me about whether they should scale out onto YouTube or they should stick to Facebook ads. So I just wanted to cover that topic and tell you what you should do when it comes to scaling out on YouTube coming from Facebook. So there's a few things here. Number one, are your Facebook ads working well or not? Now, if your Facebook ads are working well and you're profitable, then definitely scale out on YouTube, because hey, you don't want to rely just on Facebook. Like, I have met a lot of business owners whose only source of traffic is Facebook ads, and when their ad account gets shut down or they have ad compliance issues, they are scared. They are really just horrified. They're constantly on the phone trying to figure it out. It's pretty traumatic for them. Honestly, when that happens to one of my friends and I see them, it's just this look of like, holy crap, am I going to be able to like actually continue to living my life? Or am I completely screwed?
Oh my God!
On the other hand, if you're doing YouTube ads and Facebook ads, you have a little bit more like leeway. You kind of have two ad platforms. YouTube is generally a lot easier on the compliance side. They're a little bit more reasonable. They're not just going to suspend your account and never like get back to you. Usually, they'll tell you why it was suspended, and if you fix it, they'll unsuspend it. That's what I found. And if you're spending a lot, they have really amazing rep from Google. Shout out to my rep, she's an angel. But yeah, definitely, if you're already doing well on Facebook, scale out to YouTube as well, because you're lowering risk and you're adding a bunch more money to your business. You're adding a bunch more revenue. You can easily double your ad spend with two platforms instead of one, especially with YouTube, which is just a great platform. I actually talk about why it's a great platform in another video, link in description. But in this case, it was actually a different situation. He just started out with Facebook ads and he wasn't profitable on Facebook yet. So I actually told him, hey, listen, just stick to Facebook for now, make it work, make it profitable, because if you're unprofitable on two platforms, it's like twice you're essentially diluting your attention. You really need to focus on making things work in one place before going to the other. Same thing if you're doing YouTube ads, it's unprofitable and you want to scale out to Facebook. I get it if you have been trying for a pretty long time, a month, like constantly testing, nothing's working, then maybe you might want to try YouTube ads because you think that's going to work better. But honestly, if you're in that phase of optimization and testing with your ad account and you're not profitable yet, just focus on one ad platform, because doing two complicates things. So yeah, that's basically kind of what I really wanted to cover. The big takeaways are, if you are doing really well and you're profitable, definitely scale out into two ad platforms, because going from profitability to more profitability is a lot easier than getting from losing money to profitability. So at that point, you have basically the ability to focus on two platforms without it diluting your attention. But if you're not profitable, just stick to it. Just like anything in life, you gotta really stick to one thing, get it right, and then move on to another thing. You can't just be doing a million things at once, because that's just a recipe for online marketing failure. And that's the kind of the advice I also gave. And yeah, thanks for watching the video. If you like this, hit the like button, ask any questions in the comment section. If you have any topics you want me to cover, let me know. Hit the subscribe button if you can. And yeah, cheers. Have a great rest of the week.